Tipe nauze. Makubuda ngene makuda makanyanyo chembera.
Rasta ndezvo.
Timko fire ndimani.
Yes sir.
Tipe now. Munogara kupi mafireman?
Yes sir, man out Glen View. The Santa Barbara city them. Original things are going in the city. We will get them off here some like the original things in America things like the Jamaican city. Original bad boys in the city. Santa Barbara alongside.
This was this car days.
Still I see Ajita Safari.
So kuda kunyebera nechi Rasta jamuska godi.
No, yes sir.
Listen.
Original great marker this.
Uyu.
Yes sir.
Asanoimba.
Yes sir.
Chimoti paka freestyle.
Aiwa vari.
Unonzani? Malvin. Unogara Glen View 3. Glen View 3. Ko kune chimudhara chenyu inonzi King Alfred chicha.
King Alfred. Yeah, with this place.
King Alfred. Chiche.
DJ. New generation. With the olive, Alfred.
Oh.
New generation, original founder of new generation.
But the power, they know where the power
where
is.
I belong, an original ghetto boy, I belong in original bad boy city. Them. Original son of a come in the city, 12th Avenue in a Glen View 3, and original in a 8, Bogota, Glen View 8, Bogota, where Moka comes.
Yeah, new generation contest. King Alfred contest.
Original ghetto boy,
contest, you know.
Original gangsters in the Santa Barbara. Original teaser one in the original style. What boys are come from original African side. The bloodline over the seas them come from original, Africa them. So become original in the first breed in Africa, the original them. Blessed be upon the Rastafari. Blessed. Ja, Rastafari. Sila.
Zvenyu zvekunyembera namuchitara chirasa chekunyembera.
Pisa futi. Kuna kwacho kusi kuningika. Kwa vakabva futi maningi. Saka brain yavaina iko kwekuti vapise patwa izvo yakabva original nation yayo ndikuno kuAfrica. Obama chaichi yabva kuKenya. So being to Africa, which means it's just an origination background. So we've been our brethren who are even in Canada and American side. The pride we got is in Africa for brethren who is overseas.
Saka munonzani mimurungo baba.
Yeah, and Jamuka King. Yeah, we Santa Barbara Glen View 3. The boss is even in the ghetto. Original things are gone. The boy is in the wood. The original part were in a lingua language.
Magamjiri ayo, ngonyara msamanye. Kani manyire. Magamjiri maembo gara ku England.
Yeah, I take it to England.
Saka chicha kaiti.
We've been into England for some kind of a vacation in there. Yeah, we
Saka murkuite chi Zimbabwe.
Babylon system.
Murkuite mu Zimbabwe.
We can travel into the site where you belong original.
Asi makadipotwa.
But we in Zimbabwe right now because the background become stronger even.
Aiwa, makadipotwa ere.
Atina kutipotwa.
Murkuite chi mu Zimbabwe.
When we travel for vacation. Yeah. So the ambassador knows when we
travel in England.
Yeah, England. We passing through England when we went to Canada. That is around October 2015.
Oh.
That is confirmed anyway.
It's confirmed.
Yeah. We're passing through England.
Let's kana makadzingwa ku England zvinoita kakupengesa mbichana.
Oh yeah. But as we saying that we are on vacation, we moved and come out of London peacefully. I think England knows us.
Anytime we are wishing.
Yeah, we belong.
Anytime we are wishing.
Yeah, anytime we
are both boundaries.
Our passports are clear that we can travel to any country around the world anyway. We can be in New Zealand tomorrow anyway. Yeah, fully equipped anyway. We're living there, the European life and the American life as we're living it here on the African side, that we will become proud even of bring the origination of African side. Blessed be.
Yes, sir, because foreign only for carry, only for carry, thing and thing.
But
things are going in Harare, them city them. We firing same time like the original Montego Bay or Kingston Town in a Jamaican city them. Montego Bay. Montego Bay. Asatashika ku Montego Bay. But my brothers are originally yao ava kuno. So we link up with the original spiritual link up as we passing going to Canada. We're going to make 1 or 2 days that we're going to be into Montego Bay in Jamaica City because we're into the music industry, reggae business, the serious Rasta business there. Blessed be to the most Rastafari that we're traveling around the world to see what happened with the Babylon system. We will move. Because before we went to Montego Bay, we've been into Germany and France.
UK.
Yeah.
Germany and France, UK.
As we live into our brethren, that cannot be a bad brethren that is coming from a pure offspring. If he is going to fight his own brethren, no bad boy can fight a brethren from original African city with a nonsense, a bring nonsense business in the original city. Them big Rastafari come from original cities, more than 6 continents in the world. Rastafari travel. Blessed be to the most high that Rastafari can reveal the truth. Tinashe. It's a part of the choice when we are choosing to, but we are going there. So we will choose it in Australia. It was the living that we just changed diets and stuff. That is what we're looking at. And I'm inciting places and stories too. Anyway, there's no need a person like me to be somewhere else, because I can live the same life that they're living over there here around. Thanks.
True that.
Outside Chogadi. I know deportment.
I know original.
Simonyara, Damon's go now. I know deportment. I got to say Zimbabwe from England.
I got to lift my ghetto youth, Mbare, especially in a Glen View.
Oh, and Glen View.
Glen View, yeah. But we're not dealing with them. King Alfred, new generation, and Oliver. We're not dealing with them, because we are better than them.
And this Murehwa Glen View, nobody seems a Glen View amazing.
Yeah, man, but still,
unity strength.
Unity strength, but musically, if I boss a blank, we are boss a blank. We
Saka ndakamisa King Alfred pamberi penyu munomutaura zvamurikutaura izvi.
King Alfred, we raised together anyway. I mean, we've been living in the same ecosystem. We've been living in together anyway. So that is not somebody that we can be surprised of. Otherwise, we of higher ranks even. Me, I am king from Zimbabwe. King is King Alfred from new generation. I am the king of Zimbabwe. So that is my brother anyway. I cannot say that. One of the members in the Zimbabwe gang. Original, I give respect to my captain, as I'm the lieutenant general of the Zimbabwe gang. I give now respect even to my captain. In the area, big up in Zimbabwe gang. Long time history. A bad boy, gangster city. In the area, one of the original gangsters in the area coming from Zimbabwe in the Glen View city. Whoa, pull up.
But Muzadu Murkumbare, one of my gangsters.
Yeah, we
are. This is my gangsters.
We uplift because why we respect even my flats that sometimes also gonna that's why this is our main ghetto that we play now for respect even. Our ghettos are young youth sister ghettos that we living in. This is our main ghetto. We respect, we give enough respect. It's the same foundation. Yeah, the same thing that is we expecting from you, brethren. Yeah, we must be together as we living in a ghetto area. We big jobs in the ghetto.
In fire.
When we are operating in fire.
Because Zvamuri kutaura guys.
Zvadziripo zveshuwa.
Aiwa, mira imani kutaura
zvozvaita kuti tinge tichichinjanisa nyika nenyika.
Aiwa, izvo zvandikutaura chimo mirai mumboteerera.
Yeah, saidzodzo tinenge
chimo mirai mumboteererai.
Takateerera muchitaura.
Teererai because muna vanhu vachakuona vanhu mazimba
pana pauri nhasi uno
mazimba
iye ariko kokoka kana anga achizviita madhakota anopfura pana apa tada kuti abude futi paYouTube achitaura udhakota hwawo.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. True that. That's a madman. That's a mad boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Still we bless up. We are all required them there. Respect to Mbare Massive, Glen View Pass, Roma, and everywhere, you know.
Cheers, Kuda. Kupezera naye.
Kana uchiti wakora kufura papa bisa pa YouTube zita rako kana pa ndikiri pa Facebook
tikupiwe
because stawe futhi maningiri kinito zvopomba kumagazi ya ungango uri ikoko zvako kutozvitonodza kwaone kuchita because tiri pana apa tinokwanisa kuenda futhi kuchata because tiri kugara futhi kuchando futhi tinogara tichiuya padheni tichida izvo otherwise tiri maexotic tiri kuchando urikuzvitinya because kuuya uri kukudhurira izvi unondogara kuti 3 months kuti then toenda kushando 9 months
kupinda uchibuda
apa patati 9 months izote chichinjanisa Australia zikadai zototi Sudan zikadai zototi yapinda tikadai zototi kana Portugal izvi
Taliban left.
Chipinda munana summertime kuMauritius chipinda kuti Mauritius tumadhimano matorisi chisadhikirira chimani pakati penzvimbo kubuda nendaya nekuita sei mix up pisa futi nekugadzirisa manamba erebhu
saka imi makamakire King Alfred makamakire
tida kumumaka that is one of our brethren. We cannot get our brother. We just we are operating our business. For us to run the music industry, we have to work as if we are opposite. But that is the way we are operating. Yeah, you playing TOK, me are playing 121, so that we can compete in another way. But we brothers anyway.
Yes,
yeah, me I talk about 121. Them blessed.
Inazana mupisa Mbare, mupisa wenyu. Mupisa wenyu.
This can be a first time anyway from the video anyway.
And
from
yes,
people, high activity
but
people,
remember,
high power people.
I got a mixtape from you out of Canada.
I mean, we eating African food.
What one with Oliver? What one with
brainwise? Yeah, brainwise feeding.
I understand. Azishamari shamari yangu
orange juice
Magito ndo shamari yangu
drinking orange crush
Magito akaro ne madrugs
orange
na Boris uyu
yes sir
ndo shamari zangu
we drinking mazoe orange crush so I mean we are uncomparable and we drinking Cascade. Can you have one there? Anyway, I'm living there also. I'm looking for it. I cannot find it, and I know anyone as well as you cannot find it anyway. Pick up anyway. You my brother.
Yes, sir.
Can be my sister. Yeah, but we come from one family.
I'm at a bowl, Rasta.
Yeah, it's a piece.
Forward.
I just think what I done is
Maita bo Rasta. Maita bo one love. Wamuziya waunayo. Anonzi Makiti.
Makiti amofaya.
Akaipa.
Peace and love. That's the pride the very Sizzler College talking about. That the brethren, they got the pride. He knows that we're brethren from Africa. We're true brethren of you, Sizzler College. As you listen to us right now, big up brother, Sizzler College. We big up this Zimbabwe Ghetto Mafia. Original in Mbare City. In Mbare City, we big up our brethren Sizzler College in Chihota. Now, please, we go about this original African Ghetto Mafia. I wish you must see this video. It will be a good sight of African true feeling, original pure breed of African brother. Bring a psychology being in a Jamaican city. This is original African breed that is coming from a pure offspring from African mother and African father. Blessed. Thank you.
Name shamari yangu iraba. Mamona name shamari yangu. Ne amadzangu ze Glen View. One time. Kana kamboridza Botswana.
Yes sir.
Amaita bo. La kuvara zvangu.
Dara.
One love. Chazoita imwe chaicha.
Levels.
Mukitaura neshona uya ane hasho.
Ane hasha.
Ane hasha. Ari muchiki. Ari kubaba.
Respect to Rasta, Rasta.
which means we are ahead, but still that cannot break our relationship. We still better.
One love.
One love, Rasta.
I still suppose uko hizi kana Zimbabwe yese hakuna wala settlement ndiri hapo nini ndindaisira last number ngoza tisuturu
amuchike amkwate amusvikiro munosvika mega
aiwe anojamuka rafuka
yeah
the two cents
bo